Microsoft is the latest tech giant to announce it's no longer selling to Russia, joining Apple in suspending all new sales to the country in the wake of its invasion. Here's the blog post. Like the rest of the world, we are horrified, angered, and saddened by the images and news coming from the war in Ukraine and condemn this unjustified, unprovoked, and unlawful invasion by Russia. Ooh, they're not mincing words. We are announcing today that we will suspend all new sales of Microsoft products and services in Russia. We believe we are most effective in aiding Ukraine when we take concrete steps in coordination with the decisions being made by these governments, and we will take additional steps as the situation continues to evolve. Wow. So in their case, they're like, just a big no-no. I guess their services, existing subscriptions, online services and things will remain intact for now. I guess those customers don't have to worry. They get on their Halo or whatever they're doing, you know. But as far as getting a new Xbox, as far as getting a...
So no hardware.
Imagine the kid who had it on the the list for his birthday or whatever.
Oh.
He's been saving up.
Or what's
That's
even
tough.
worse is that it's coming from DHL, like shipping or something.
My.
And it's just stuck there.
Really do.
You believe this guy?
Bringing back clips.
You believe that
from
guy?
previous
That's
shows.
trauma right there.
You believe that guy sitting over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man,
I don't even believe myself.
even Mo had to hit him with a willy, dude. Even you had to do it. You couldn't leave that alone. Earlier this week, Ukrainian Vice Prime Minister called on Xbox and PlayStation brands to stop doing business with Russia. Earlier today, it became clear that PlayStation was not releasing Gran Turismo 7 in Russia on launch day. But they have so far issued no public statement, so Sony hasn't done the official thing. EA has taken Russia out of FIFA and NHL. Just take the countries out of the games.
Whoa.
Man. Yeah, it's not done yet. It's not done yet. Yeah, there's more to it.